Ladies, looking fabulous doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. And in this video, I will uncover the secrets to zero-cost elegance. Where style meets savvy without breaking the bank, it's time to redefine luxury on a budget. So, let's dive into the art of sophistication on a budget. The first section is outfit formulas. Ladies, elegance isn't just about expensive clothes or flashy accessories, it's about understanding the art of balance and cohesion in your outfit. And that's where outfit formulas come into play. So, in order to unlock the elegance within you with the right outfit formula, I'll show you only 3 outfit formulas, and that's the 2 times 2 outfit formula, 2 of 3 outfit formulas, and the sandwich formula. First, before I give you the 3 style rules, you need to understand your personal style. Well, did you know almost every woman who looks elegant understands her personal style? This simply means that she knows what she wants to achieve with any outfit. Therefore, in order to nail an expensive look, you need to find your personal style and define it. Don't worry, I'll show you how. So first, you need to describe your personal fashion style. In a 3-word style rule, doing this will make it easy for you to dress up, and above all, it will help you build a wardrobe that you will truly love. Also note, ladies, when I say 3-word style rules, I mean combinations that highly reflect the adjectives that describe your style. And to help you figure out, I will give you 5 questions that you will need to think about, as well as examples. So, here are some important questions you need to think about. What is your favorite item in your closet? One you feel most comfortable in and wear repeatedly? What is the most expensive thing in your closet, and why did you buy it? Does your wardrobe feature more neutrals, pastels, or bold colors? What items in your closet do you give for donations, and why? What do you want your style to say on your behalf? So, once you have answered these questions, how would you describe your style right now? And what makes you feel or think those words describe your style? Now let me give you some examples to help you figure out your 3 words. 1, we have effortless, chic, and versatile style. Note, ladies, a woman who describes her style as effortless, chic, and versatile typically gravitates towards timeless pieces that can be easily mixed and matched to create various looks. Her wardrobe essentials reflect a balance of classic staples and modern pieces, allowing her to effortlessly transition from day to night, casual to formal occasions. This type of woman wants her style to say that she is confident, sophisticated, and effortlessly chic. She values quality over quantity and prefers classic pieces that stand the test of time. Her style exudes confidence and elegance while remaining approachable and practical for her everyday life. She wants her wardrobe to reflect her versatile lifestyle and adaptability to various situations, all while maintaining an effortless sense of style. So, is this you? Next, we have classy, elegant, and feminine style. A woman who describes her style as classy, elegant, and feminine typically gravitates towards timeless pieces that exude sophistication and grace. This woman wants her style to say that she is confident, sophisticated, and refined. Her style communicates her impeccable taste and attention to detail, while also reflecting her femininity and grace. Overall, her classy, elegant, and feminine style speaks volumes about her poise, confidence, and timeless sophistication. Next is classy, sexy, and fun. A woman who describes her style as classy, sexy, and fun, her wardrobe essentials would reflect a blend of sophistication, allure, and playfulness. What this woman wants her style to say on her behalf is that she is confident, elegant, and has a sense of adventure. This woman wants to be perceived as someone who is polished and put together, yet not afraid to take risks and have fun with her fashion choices. Her style speaks volumes about her personality. She's bold, confident, and unapologetically herself. Whether she's attending a business meeting, a night out with friends, or a romantic date, she wants her style to command attention and leave a lasting impression. Is this you? Ladies, my mission here is simple. I'm here to help you dress for the body you have, not the body you used to have or wish you had. Because I strongly believe that every woman deserves to feel confident and beautiful in her own skin, regardless of size or age. So, the goal of this channel is to create a safe space where women of all shapes and sizes can come together to celebrate themselves and their unique beauty. Remember, ladies, you are worthy of love and respect just as you are. Don't let anyone bring you down. Embrace yourself, love yourself, and let's embark on this journey of self-expression and empowerment together. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll be there every step of the way to support and empower you on your style journey. Let's start with the 2 of 3 rule. For this styling rule, 2 of the 3 elements of your outfit should be the same color. But why? Because this creates visual continuity that will make an outfit feel cohesive and put together. This strategic approach prevents your ensemble from becoming visually chaotic, allowing each element to complement rather than compete with one another. Next up is the sandwich style rule. Just like in a real sandwich, this dressing technique is all about layering where 2 similar items sandwich a contrasting one. A common example could be matching your top and shoe color with a different colored pair of skirt, pants, or shorts. So how do you choose your bread and filling? I recommend you take a look at your wardrobe. Do you find a dominance of a particular color or texture? If yes, then that can be your bread. Next, you need to think about what would contrast beautifully against it. That's your filling. Now, let's discuss the 2 times 2 rule. This rule suggests pairing 2 basic pieces with 2 accent pieces. This typically means combining 2 items with different textures, colors, or patterns to add visual interest and depth to the ensemble. Or it can also be taking 2 pieces of formal wear and pair them with 2 pieces of dressed-down casual wear. By adhering to these formulas, you strike a harmonious balance between simplicity and flair, ensuring your outfit stands out without appearing overdone. Ladies, these outfit formulas serve as invaluable tools in your quest for elegance. Remember, the key lies in achieving harmony and balance. Ever wonder how to achieve that effortlessly chic look without breaking the bank? The key is to master the art of mixing high-end and low-end pieces in your outfit. Mixing high-end and low-end pieces not only allows you to create a unique and personalized style, but it also gives you the freedom to experiment with different trends and textures. Master the art of tucking and rolling the sleeves, because they can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your outfit. For example, the front tuck is best reserved for those times or for women who feel good about their tummy. I recommend this styling trick because it will elongate your figure, balance your proportions, and create a polished, chic edge to an otherwise casual look. On the other hand, double side tuck is great for ladies who would like to define their waist but don't want to amplify or draw attention to their tummy area. I love the double-sized tuck because it is very flattering and helps minimize the tummy and create a slimmer look overall. I also find it to work best with woven tops or thicker knits and not flimsy knits. Ladies, did you know the simple act of rolling up your sleeves can have a major impact on your outfit's overall appearance? This minor adjustment creates an element of dimension to your ensemble and visually makes you look slimmer. For me, I love this styling trick because it exudes a relaxed, carefree vibe, which is what I like to showcase in my outfits. Cuffing your jeans or pants creates an effortless way to highlight your choice of footwear, while also adding a touch of visual intrigue to your look. However, it's worth noting that cuffing can create the illusion of shorter legs, so it might not be the ideal option for everyone's personal style or body type. Ladies, don't think of your jacket as a jacket. Think of it as a cape with sleeves that fall by your arms. Especially going into transitional weather, it's a simple way to wear a jacket that won't make you overheat, but will still give you the coverage you want. That's it for me. Thank you for watching.